What do men think women like, but they really don't? 1. Literally ramming your fingers in and out of me. Just no, please no. It's almost always going to hurt. The come here motion on the other hand. 2. My ex seemed to think I was interested in hearing about how he got down with women before me. No, thanks, dude. 3. Showing off, flexing, or comparing yourself to others in order to brag. Some guys think it makes them look cool, but it just makes them look insecure. 4. Having massive junk. At a certain point it just hurts and feels annoying. 5. Being a nice guy. Women want a guy who is nice, not a disciplined pet who does whatever they say. 6. Driving stupidly with me in the car to try and show off. It's an absolute no for me. 7. Obnoxiously loud vehicles. You think you're impressing them, but look closer at their faces. 9 times out of 10, that's a sneer, not a smile. 8. Tough guy behavior.